Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung account sign-in error in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S25 Plus and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to sign into your Samsung account, you might see error, your processing failed, or any type of error that you're unable to sign in. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go to your settings app, just scroll down, and here go to software update. Make sure that your phone is up to date and also make sure that you're connected to the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you have done, just go back from here, go to apps section. And once you are in apps, just click on this search option and just search for Samsung account here. You must see Samsung account, click on it. Scroll down, you'll see storage here. Click on it, click on clear cache. Now, once you have cleared cache of your Samsung account app, so if there will be any junk or any bug in your account or in your app, it will be fixed in this app. So after that, you might not get the issue, or you can also try to click on this force stop option and then click OK. Now, once I've done, just go back and make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again to have a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.